Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with power and a stable connection. Charge the A50 above 50% and turn it on so the base station can pair. Next, insert the USB wireless dongle into a rear USB 3.0 port. This avoids hub interference and reduces latency. Once done, install Astro Command Center only if you want firmware updates or EQ control. It is optional for audio but necessary for full headset features. Now you pair and configure. Place the A50 on its base and press the pairing button until the LED pulses, which tells the dongle and headset to sync. On your PC, open Sound Settings and set Astro as the default playback and recording device so apps route audio correctly. Make sure to disable any other Bluetooth audio devices to prevent automatic switching, and adjust Windows sample rate to 48K Hz for stable voice and game audio performance. Finish by testing audio and microphone in your target app, because real-world checks catch routing or volume issues quickly. If you hear glitches or dropouts, update the headset firmware using Astro Command Center, since firmware often fixes wireless stability. If problems continue, reset pairing. Hold the dock pairing button for 10 seconds, reinsert the USB dongle, then repair the headset. This clears conflicts and usually resolves stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.